Friends, today we have Disha Manwani from Bombay. Is a young talent. India Vision just found it out a few days ago. So we welcome Disha Manwani in India Vision. Welcome, Disha ji.
Thank you. Thank you. Really looking forward.
And how did you get idea to start this website?
Okay, so we would like to give the credit to this amazing extended lockdown because while all of our businesses, operations are not at full swing, it does give you time to think about what on social media you can do to bring a smile on someone's face or to, create any sort of impact. So three friends got together who have varied and diversified experiences in couple of fields now for over 12 years, and we thought of putting all our thoughts together in the form of trivia, on behalf of all three of us, what we feel and how we are as people, which is going to reflect all across our page and in the content form.
Can you
Hanji.
tell me a little bit more about your education?
So I have graduated from Mithibai College, and then I did my MBA from NMIMS. I specialized in retail because retail was booming in full swing at that point in time, and I thought interacting with people and having an end-to-end conversation with people or doing anything to enable sales on the retail sector was something that was really driving me at that point in time, and that's something that I gave my 7 8 years to as well. And after that, since my son was born, who's about 3 years old, we kind of looked into supporting family business. And then along with family business is Trevia now that we're doing.
You said you had three friends together. Can you tell me a little
Yes.
bit more about your friends?
So Trevia is with Aditi Singh on board, and she's been associated with Zoom channel earlier, and she's with Spot Boy currently. And she's someone who has had a lot of experience on the back end and the front end of the camera and media. So right from creating content to having interviews with the top stars in our industry, she knows it all. Like she's the media guru among the three of us. Then I have Komal Manchani Thakur, the other friend of mine. She's again had experience in HR. She's a very people's person, and currently she's been a teacher with a reputed school for over 7 years. So it's a very varied background among the three of us. But each one's strength is reflected on the page now. If you keep looking at our content, so that's the three of us.
So how did you communicate with each other during Corona crisis?
So I think the daily conference calls kind of just changed into the kind of fun things that we would want to do or see or talk about or talk with our friends about. So we thought, why not have a medium where we're not restricted to just communicating with our friends during lockdown or post lockdown, but reaching out to a wider medium in terms of more people, that could have the same beliefs as the three of us do. And since Instagram and Facebook has made it so easy now, so we thought, why not? Because also the other thing is that I don't think it's any more about someone being very perfect on these mediums. The more real you are, the more yourself you are, you can communicate whatever you would like to on these mediums. So it's become very easy now to get out there and just collectively put everything together. And that's what we're doing now.
So how did you choose the theme of your videos?
So my friend again, who's in the media, she's been with the entertainment business for a very long time. So during lockdown, when all the spirits have been not exactly up to the mark, it's not only entertainment that people are seeking at this point. It's humor. Humor is trending a lot during lockdown because everyone wants to kind of forget, what is happening around and just laugh or smile or spread laughter. So that's why we thought of humor, because we thought it will help us connect and reach out better with people across. So that's why it's humor that we're focusing more currently on. And then, of course, we will be expanding our mediums and channels.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit more about your videos you have made so far? You said you have made 7 videos till now. So
Yes.
can you tell me a little bit the theme behind it?
So a couple of them are in the pipeline too. Again, my friend who's a teacher, it's we may have made a fun video on it, but it is very challenging for teachers and parents at this time during lockdown to study and to communicate with the school and to help children grasp without actually being in a physical class. So we made fun, I mean, we made it seem like a fun thing, but we know it's very challenging. So in our own way, that was the theme for one of the videos. Then the other one was, when lockdown kind of happened, and it was just like the first 1 month, people thought, okay, let's catch up with all our friends and relatives around the world, and this is the perfect time to connect. And you're excited about the first 10 calls, maybe, or the first 15, and then even that gets on to you. You're like, enough of this, you want a balance, you can't be only talking to people or watching series, you want the life to get back to normal, which is again a serious issue, right? But we just wanted to bring a smile on people's face, so that was the theme for the other video. And again, people were confused what Trevia is, who are the people behind it. So one of the video was just to introduce us and the various backgrounds we come from. So that was the inception video that we came up with. And we're coming out with an interesting one tomorrow as well, which is again going to be a take at the family Zoom calls that people are doing during this period, because it again gives you the time to connect with extended family, and extended family can come up with various questions. So again, that is going to be a fun video that we're coming out with tomorrow.
So you used Zoom for this sort of thing.
Yes.
Yeah, but do you have any idea about Zoom? Zoom is a Chinese software, and
Yes.
as Mr. Moss said that we shouldn't use Zoom at all in
Yes.
India because of
Yes.
they are hacking on your computer or desktop
Correct.
or your phone. Did you ever thought, you three youth from Bombay, ever thought that we shouldn't use Zoom, should use some other software?
Yes, yes, yes. So at that point, when we made the video almost a month back, people were still using Zoom call. And then, of course, even the schools, you'll be surprised that the schools are using Zoom calls as well, to get children to study. But of course, now everyone's taking a very conscious effort of not using the medium of Zoom. And but at that point in time, when we made the video a month back, we didn't realize it at that time. But now, of course, everyone's making the conscious effort of not switching to Zoom or any other Chinese software for that matter. I just wish we can do away with the Chinese phones too. So I think that will be the next step now.
Right. So now, when you shot, have you been using makeup or you just been shooting without any makeup? Or
It's a mix. We'll be honest, Uncle. It's a mix. There are, of course, a lot of scenes behind the camera where we are really ourselves, which people again know. And of course, from the aesthetic point of view, we are also using makeup. But I think as much as possible, we're going to keep it real.
and what about costume? You've been planning the costumes or just
No, no, we're just going with the flow. Whatever wardrobe is at home. We haven't gone. To be honest, we haven't done anything which is larger than proportion, whether it's the costumes or the makeup. We've kept it very natural, very simple, everything.
when you first released your video with three teacher and a student comic,
Yes, yes,
what
yes.
reaction did what reaction did you get from the public, from your friends, or
Actually, that video of ours really garnered a lot of good response. We had a lot of people tripping over, a lot of people who could connect with, people with children who could specially connect as well. That particular video, in fact, across various age groups, we got an amazing reaction, and they were like, "This is so fun," and we haven't seen the three of y'all like that, and it's again the subject in itself was extremely funny, because even as parents, we are always trying so hard to look our part or to do our part, whether it's on the external side of it where the world can see you, or the internal side of it where you really have to make sure that you're doing everything to ensure that your child is doing well. It was something that people connected. So I think that's why we got the kind of response we did. So yes.
How many viewers you have at the moment?
Uh, for that current video, we had close to 500 views currently. But uncle, it's only again, it's a very recent venture. So
And how many likes you get for this video?
I think the likes would be about under 100 at present. But yes, we're again hoping that we're going to build on that soon. And the more content comes out that people will connect with, the likes should increase as well, hopefully.
Okay, now let us come to the economic of this. How much money did you spend on it?
None till now. None. Because there's not much that you can do at this point. We're all operating from our homes, and at this point in time, we haven't, to be honest, we haven't done any form of investment. As of now, we've just got together and we're still brainstorming on the back end of it, but no investment till now that's happened.
What are your future plans about this? You want to continue it
So
as it is, or you want to stop, or this corona crisis is over?
no, not at all, uncle. When we started it, we knew it. We're in this for the long run, and we are going to expand. As I said, we've been focusing a bit on the humor end currently. That is to cheer more people up. But the other mediums that we have thought is definitely fashion. It's women empowerment. It's the review channel. So we are going to get a lot of mediums included, but for to do that we need to be able to get out a bit, which once the lockdown eases, it'll be easier for us to have more different forms of content. But in spite of the fact that all of us are working, this is something that we are going to do alongside of it, even if that kind of gets us to be a little exhausted than usual days. But this is something that we are going to this is our baby, and we are going to do whatever it takes to grow this one.
How much time do you give to this sort of hobby? I call it hobby. How much time do you give to it?
So currently, almost half a day goes, the second half of every day, once everyone's done with their usual cycle and the work from home, the second half of the day, almost every day goes in us looking into this part, looking into this business of ours. So that is what is happening. But I think typically once we get back to work, and if let's say it's the 20 hours that we need in a week or a 30 hours, then we're going to allocate it accordingly every day. So again, this is something that we will touch base on every single day.
Do you edit it or just put it as it is?
No, we edit it. So again, our friend Aditi Singh, she's very well versed with this part of the medium, which is why it was easy for us to make the video so soon, and to actually be out there on the page so soon, because she's already very fast with things like that. It's what she operates on daily basis, editing or the script part of it, everything. It's her conception, and she's very quick with it.
Any reaction on, there are many videos on social media making many funny videos. Any
Hmm.
reaction to some videos?
Um, uh, there are a couple of videos, there is no doubt about it, and they're making money too, and a lot of them are really funny. But I think these days those videos kind of make you really laugh, or get a reaction out of you if your content is original. You cannot take a forwarded joke on a WhatsApp and then just enact it out and expect that the video will go viral, because I think the original content and your original dialogues and script in the video are your heart and soul. So right now at present, even though all videos seem funny, but eventually the maximum reaction comes out on videos on, and I'm hoping the videos that make most money are also the videos that have original script into them. So that is something that we've been really focusing on. So we want to keep it out of the box, and we want to keep it real, and that's what I think about videos.
You just mentioned that some people are making money out of it. How they are making money? Can you please explain to the viewers?
So what happens is that the once these videos get viral, and more and more people share it, and the viewers increase on, let's say, YouTube, then these people make money based on the ads that they get. So these ads that you see that start right before a video starts is their form of making money through these videos. But for that, the video needs to go really viral. Like a couple of people have to see it, like hundred thousands of people have to see it for the video to go viral. So that is one of the form of making money. So the more people you reach out to, the more people connect with your beliefs. Then you get more brands that want to connect with you because they understand your potential to reach out to people.
So we should expect Disha Manwani, a very rich girl in India very soon.
Yes, yes. Trivia is hopefully going to make all of us rich and wise and empowered in our own ways very soon, hopefully.
हेलो पेरेंट्स, आ ही गए सबके सब खून चूसने ना। किसको स्ट्रॉ चाहिए सबसे पहले? बताओ बताओ।
Greetings. Hope you're doing fine. Mrs. Singh, kindly explain, आपने घर बैठे बैठे मास्क क्यों पहना हुआ है?
ओ क्या है ना, हमने आज सुबह ही पढ़ा था कि लैपटॉप से भी कोरोना वायरस एक दूसरे में ट्रांसफर हो सकता है, इसलिए हमें लगा कि ये हम पहन कर ही आप लोग से बात करें।
So not interested.
हेलो मैडम जी, ये इतना सख्त सवर के कैसे आ जाती हैं आप हर बारी? आईब्रो भी घर पर ही करनी है क्या? सैलरी चाहिए तो तुम्हें तो झेलना ही पड़ेगा। So if you have any concerns regarding our new way of teaching through video calls, which I feel totally sucks, please feel free not to ask us.
देखिए, टाइमिंग नाम की भी ना एक चीज होती है. My daughter never sits idle at home. But when have you been sending me the assignments? 5 in the evening, 10 in the morning. We Kapoors, we follow a routine. At 5, Anaya has her Spanish classes. Freaking bitch! Are you even listening to me?
एक्चुअली देखिए प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि जो मुन्नू है वो ना एक नंबर का नालायक बच्चा है। तो क्या होता है कि जब आप होमवर्क देती हैं और वीडियो देती हैं बना बना के, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन जब मुन्नू का बारी आता है तो उनको टट्टियाँ लग जाती हैं वो करने में।
हेलो मैडम, मस्त फिल्टर कॉफी बनाते आप पियेंगे क्या?
मुन्नू को होमवर्क कराने बोल दो तो इनको 10 काम याद आ जाते हैं, लेकिन अभी टीचर जी आई हैं तो उनको हाय बोलने जरूर आएंगे ये पैंट पहन के। वैसे तो मैडम जी पूरा टाइम ये चड्ढे में घूमते हैं, मैं बताऊं आपको।
So ma'am, like I was saying, that Anaya. No! Anaya, baby, stop doing that. Stop digging your nose.
अरे बहन जी करने दीजिए ना, देखिए लॉकडाउन में वैसे भी गवर्नमेंट ने इतना रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगा कर रखा है, और वैसे भी देखिए हमारे वक्त तो आपको पता ही है टेबल के नीचे ही लगा दिया करते थे।
Mrs. Singh, was that your son putting booger under my table?
Totally mad, aren't you? I am so done with this idiotic call. Honey, can you please get me my herbal calming tea with some of those organic cookies now?
ए उन्नू के पापा, इसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर दीजिए तो। वो चली गई है मिसेस कपूर फिर से नाक में चक के वीडियो कॉल से। हमको तो एक को नहीं भाती है ये लेडीज।
लड़ रही है बिचेस की तरह। कोई इनको बताया कि इनके बच्चे कितने नालायक हैं। पहले इंग्लिश और हिंदी तो सीख लें, बड़ी आई है स्पेनिश सिखाने वाली। वाइन है क्या? और
Aru, do you remember seeing Mama's videos? Did you like them?
Yes.
Do you find them funny?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
He laughed a lot. He couldn't believe the way we were looking. So he did laugh a lot.
So maybe one day you want to make a video on your son also?
Yes,
Video, comic
definitely.
video.
Yes, definitely. For all mothers out there, we are in this together, and the funny parts as well need to be seen by everyone. So if not the hard work, then at least the funny part should get out there to the people
Mama,
of motherhood.
I got 2 granddaughters. They were about 6 and 4 at that time.
Okay.
And in the evening when I came home, They said, Dadu, Dadu, wait here. Don't go anywhere. Don't come to our
Yes.
room.
Yes.
I was surprised. I was waiting in the room.
Okay.
And then all of a sudden, they started a play. 4 years and 6 years girl. Her name is Jana and Jivina. Jivina 6 years old at that time, and Jana was 4 years old.
Okay.
You know, they go to Tivoli, Denmark, and they collected a lot of what you call it stuffed toys. They got about 13 or 14
Okay.
stuffed toys, and they made a 16-minute play without any guidance, without any knowledge, and it came fantastically good. I was surprised how
Wow.
intelligent these children are.
Absolutely.
And then, and now Jivina is now I think 13 years, and other is about 8 years now. And I would
Wow.
like to mention to you that Jivina last year got the first in the world. There was a competition on designing the electronic games, and just coding to code the electronic games, and she became number one among 320 participants all over the world.
And then my dad introduced me to some programming apps he downloaded for me. And then I started like beginner and trying to like using it, try to see what will happen. And then I watch sometimes little videos to learn how to make them, or sometimes I just use my imagination, and then that's how I got interested.
It can be very fun also, and it's not just typing letters. It can be much more things such as testing, drawing.
Congratulations! How do you feel after winning this prize?
When Javina told me that we won the global one, I didn't believe her.
I was sick the day that we won the Denmark one, but when I heard it, I was quite surprised. But when the global one, I was really surprised because I was at school learning.
When we won the global one, in the morning when my mom told me good news, I thought it was just like good news. I'm going on a field trip or something, but then she told me good news that we won global, and then the first thing I had to do was tell Nicole. I see the world full of robots, and that jobs might be taken over by robots because like robots are doing everything now. It's not so easy as you think it is. Like in the first, before I started, I thought it was very easy. I thought you just put the stuff in the blocks, you just drag it, and then you thought you just say move one, blah blah blah. You just drag stuff and it works.
Yeah.
And didn't need to use your brain.
So
That is-
children are very talented.
That is
Yes.
amazing.
And
That is
I tell you one thing more. In one evening, she came to me and said, "No, they want me to act in the play," and they had directed the play very well. I don't know where they get the idea from. They used their cameras and they retake, and retake. So children are very talented.
very.
So right. So anything else
It's an
say to the youth of India? Anything you want to say to the youth of India?
It's honestly the age group that we just spoke about. They may take, I mean, like you said, your grandchildren, what we took 30 years to do to get out there, make videos. They're making videos at the age group of, as small as 4 years and 8 years. And now at 13, they're on their way to winning the world. I think just get out there and do everything you want to do. Don't have any regret at all. So you don't know what's in store for you, and you won't know unless you explore it completely. So just get out there. That's all I can say.
I thank you, Disha ji from India,
Thank you.
and I'm sitting
Thank
here in Denmark, and everybody's watching all over the world.
It has been such a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you for allowing us to explain trivia to the world, to you. And this has been a great platform. Really, I mean, they'll say we really appreciate it. Thank you so much.